Welcome to this session where I'm going to recommend a posture on how to look after your knees. The quadricep muscles, the four muscles that come down on the front of your thigh, end up with a tendon that goes over the top of the kneecap, the patella. And that allows, if these muscles are working well, that allows the tracking of the kneecap in its groove. Here is what I recommend, and you have to pace yourself on this one. Don't go for the end results. Work at it slowly, and you'll end up with knees that will work for you for the rest of your days. It starts with leaning forward, plant the palms on the mat, come up onto your knees. In this case, the left shin goes up the wall, and I allow the left knee to drop onto the mat. Fingers in pyramids to get a bit of height. Right foot comes between the pyramids. And as you come up, there may be a bit of challenge on the balance, in which case use your hands. Backs of my hands are on the wall. That gives me the stability. Back of my head and the shoulder blades onto the wall. I can feel an intense stretch on the quads. Stay there, breathe. Those of you who are okay with it, introduce a little bit more stretch by taking the hands up. When it's enough, you slowly go forward. Both the palms land on the inside of the right foot. So while we're attending the front of the left thigh, we also attend to the muscles at the back of the thigh. The upper hamstrings. In this case, slowly walking the hands forward, keeping the right heel onto the mat, dropping down onto your elbows. Some of you will get your forehead onto the mat, but your awareness is at the back of the right thigh. When it's enough, come back, fingers in pyramids. Front foot goes towards the wall first, and the shin comes back down. And you sit back. Don't rush onto the other side, but you listen to the knee that's had an intense stretch of the quads. If it feels okay, you do the other side. Right shin up the wall, right knee onto the mat, fingers in pyramids, left foot between the pyramids. Coming up slowly, either use the wall or both hands on the knee as you push away. If the hands are on the wall, that gives you a little bit more ability to get the back of your head into the wall. And then if it feels right, stretch it a bit more. So the right knee is really benefiting at the moment. When I come back out, palms on the inside of the left foot. I want to stretch all of the 5 upper hamstrings, the back of my thigh. So heel remains onto the mat. Walk the hands forward. Start to drop the elbows one at a time. The elbow may not go to the mat. That's okay. Work away at it slowly till it does drop. Breathe into the stretch. When you're done, palms on the mat, front foot goes to the wall first, the shin comes back, you sit, breathe, and feel. There is nothing else in the knees other than warmth. So if you liked that piece, visit my website, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there are plenty more of these kind of videos that you could benefit from.